Is YouTube TV glitching? Let's explore why this might happen and how to fix it. Glitches on YouTube TV can occur due to several reasons. A common cause is an unstable internet connection. Streaming live TV requires a consistent speed of at least 3 megabits per second for HD content. If your Wi-Fi signal is weak or your bandwidth is shared with other devices, it can lead to buffering, freezing, or app crashes. Switching to a wired connection or reducing network congestion often helps. Another issue could be related to the app itself. Outdated versions of the YouTube TV app may have bugs or compatibility problems. Restarting the app, clearing its cache, or updating it to the latest version can resolve these glitches. Server-side issues can also cause problems. If YouTube TV's servers are down or overloaded, you might experience interruptions. Check their official social media pages or status websites to see if there's an ongoing outage. Finally, ensure your device meets the app's system requirements. Older devices may struggle with performance, leading to glitches. By troubleshooting these areas, you can usually fix most YouTube TV issues quickly. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.